Today you are with Marshal Chef 2 Show program. Today with us, World Vice President of World Chef Association and President of Emirates Culinary, Chef Uwe Micheel. How are you, Chef?
I'm good, great. We just finished a great show and you always feel good.
Yeah, Chef, great. Chef, I have some few questions. Can you tell us about what is the concept of this?
Well, the concept of the chef's table of our youngest and newest competition basically is all about the team. It's about real life in the hotel, because in the hotel, yes, you can have the best kitchen. If you have a lousy service, it doesn't work. If the service is amazing, if the food is not good, it doesn't work. If we don't have the stewarding with us, we have a big challenge. Yeah. We don't have the barman to take care of the beverages, we have an issue. So, and most of the competition we're doing is just about the culinary team, is just about food. So we came up with a concept that we put everybody together and have the champion has to be all the team parts have to be pretty even, have to be great. So if you have two parts of the team's good and one is a letdown, so the team has no chance to win. So we still have a trophy for the best barman only, for the best kitchen, for the best service team, but the key is the overall champions trophy. And the great thing this year was that 4 trophies, 4 different winners. Normally you would expect that the one who wins the overall trophy will have the best kitchen or the best service or something. No. So we had the other 3 teams, they were the best in their field, but the overall winner was a team which was very even, very high everywhere. So the result was very close, where especially the first 4 teams were only 1.5 points. Okay, so which is amazing close for 4 teams. You know, it's like if you go to the Olympics and the 100 meter, the first 4 are only the 200ths of a second apart. So this is basically what we had. No, a great show. It was a lot of fun. I think it was a great learning experience for the teams. This is the main reason why we do any competition. Is yes, medals are great, trophies are fantastic, but the main thing is that the guys are learned, that we learn out of it, so we gain more experience, and we take that back to our workplace. I mean, this is the main thing why we do competitions like this. So we wanted to develop teamwork, And what we have seen today, on yesterday and the day before, was great. I can say mission achieved because we had fantastic teams. There was not one team which didn't work. When we look at the result, the minimum what the teams got was a silver medal, so which is fantastic. I've not seen that in any competition before.
When you're judging, what is the pointer that you, when you are preparing to give the medal, what is the pointer that?
Well, judging is like for the service. The breakdown is 20 points on table setup, 40 points on product knowledge. So it means the teams, the waiter have to be able to tell the customers or the judges how the food is cooked. What is the food? What is on there? How it's cooked? What is done? The barman has to do 2 mocktails and the coffee creation at the end, plus in between to support the service. So, and the kitchen, they have cold canapes, then a cold starter, soup, main course, dessert. So, which is quite a job to do. So if you do one course fantastic, but the next one is a letdown. So, like I just talked to one team because he asked me, where do we lose? I told him, I said, you lost 10 points in the canapes.
Yeah.
So he would have been able maybe to win another trophy, but they didn't because of one piece of canapé. So everything has to be do with dates. So.
How was your preparation for the German?
Yeah, the team is in full training. So we are going to Stuttgart in February. We're flying out on the 10th of February for the Culinary Olympics, which is every 4 years, and this year has moved to Stuttgart. We're having a junior national team, a senior national teams, and plus we are flying with 11 artists and pastry chefs, which are doing individual classes, which are mainly showpieces, either salt, sugar, different showpieces.
After this event, what will be the next event?
Okay, our next big event will be Sial in Abu Dhabi. We are full speed working on it. We finalizing in the moment the last partners. So I think by beginning of next week the classes will go out for registration, will open for registration. So, and I'm looking actually for a great show there. So we will have the team event again with the Arabian Feast, where they have to do an Emirati buffet more or less, and then the regular classical classes what we have. Then plus there will be news this year, but more as a showcase, not as a competition. We'll have a date stage because we're living in date country. The date is very important for us in our region. So we will have a stage where we will cook for the 3 days, everyday recipes with dates. From cookies to soups to main courses to... It's amazing when you look at it, when you try things out, what you can do with dates. So we have our Salon Culinaire at Expo Culinaire in Sharjah. So from March 3rd to 5th, we are going to Sharjah. So obvious, we are in full swing and organizing that also with the new Expo Culinaire competition. So we have actually, we are looking at, we talked to a lot of people the last few days also are here who exhibit here to join us there because the exhibition of the future looks to be in Sharjah. So it's a small place, but it's when I see already now we will grow compared to last year, and last year it was pretty amazing for the first year there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.